Trekking is often seen as a physical activity. Walking, climbing, reaching a viewpoint. But trekking in Vietnam is different. Here, every trail changes character. Every region tells a new story. And every step takes you deeper, not just into nature, but into culture, terrain, and time itself. Let's figure out what types of trekking Vietnam can offer you.
Just opened that hatch, and I had the most stunning view of this cave.
Vietnam is a country shaped by mountains, and trekking here often means embracing real physical challenge. In the northern highlands, routes are steep, remote, and unpredictable. Trails climb through thick forests, cross narrow ridgelines, and ascend thousands of meters over multiple days. Places like Phan Xipang or remote mountain ranges near the Chinese border demand endurance, careful pacing, and respect for the terrain.
So pretty. I feel like I'm top of the world.
Weather can shift quickly from clear skies to thick mist or cold rain, turning each trek into a test of adaptability. Further south, adventure takes a different form. In jungle regions such as Phong Nha Ke Bang, trekking involves river crossings, uneven limestone paths, and long walks beneath dense canopies where sunlight barely reaches the ground. These are not casual walks. They are immersive expeditions designed for travelers who seek effort, uncertainty, and a genuine sense of achievement. What truly sets trekking in Vietnam apart is that the trails are rarely empty. In many regions, especially in the north, trekking routes pass directly through ethnic minority villages. These paths are not built for tourists. They are daily roads connecting homes, farms, and fields. As you walk, you encounter terraced rice paddies shaped over centuries, traditional stilt houses, and communities whose lives remain deeply tied to the land. Trekking here often includes staying overnight in local homes, sharing meals prepared from nearby farms, and learning how geography influences culture, language, and tradition. This is not cultural tourism from a distance. It is lived experience, earned step by step through conversation, observation, and mutual respect. Another defining feature of trekking in Vietnam is how dramatically the landscape changes from region to region. In the north, cool mountain air and sharp ridgelines dominate the experience. In central Vietnam, ancient forests protect rare ecosystems and wildlife. And along the coast, trekking destinations like Cat Bai combine jungle paths with limestone cliffs and sweeping ocean views. Few countries offer this level of diversity within such accessible distances. Each trek feels distinct. Yet all are connected by Vietnam's deep relationship between land and people. Trekking in Vietnam is not about rushing to the summit. It is about understanding the journey, the effort, the environment, and the stories hidden along the trail. For more in-depth travel insights, real destinations, and expertly crafted journeys across Vietnam and Southeast Asia, subscribe to Asia Pioneer Travel and continue exploring with us.